Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is June 26th when I'm recording this, and remember, simplertrading.com/moxie. If you guys want to come on over, check it out what I'm doing. We're always running some trials, and we always like to give you guys a good deal, so hit up our customer support, and they'll help you out. Okay, so if we come over here, the market has been mostly sideways, which has made it challenging to trade the market itself. So the S&P, the NASDAQ, something like that. I have been expecting it to pull back, which it has, but then over the last couple of days, we've only gotten some tiny moves in through here, and just not much has happened. We got a little bit of a bounce at the end of today, I guess I could say, because price bounced off of the 15-minute 50, but we're still kind of in no man's land. And so I'm also kind of wondering if you guys know the presidential debates are tomorrow, which is Thursday, so I think you guys will be seeing this on Thursday, and I just have a feeling that the market might actually not do anything until after those debates based on what each of them says. So yeah, just be prepared for that. See if the market doesn't do anything. Now, from a technical standpoint, I was kind of leaning towards the market actually moving down a little bit further. I wanted to see the S&P come down to the daily 21. That may not happen. Okay. So if it just wants to go sideways and build some support, we would probably see it on the 15-minute time frame, which is what I'm seeing here with price starting to hold the 15-minute 50. So if it can do that, then apparently this is all the market needed to do as far as a pullback, and then we can be on our way up for, well, the foreseeable future. We'll see if it's bullish into the 4th of July. If it can't do that and it does break down, then we'll see if the daily 21 is in the picture. And then as far as the last couple of videos that I've made, yesterday I put one out about Amazon and Google and looking at that, and what a day. Fantastic day with Amazon. So excellent breakout on this thing. And you can see here we got in, and then it basically just flagged into some support, and then we took profits right up there. It was a huge day as far as Amazon goes, and we took some profits off with this thing. And now we're free to let this thing go, and you know it'll just be a free trade. So even if it ever comes down to our entry, which I doubt it will, still made money on it. And at this point, we'll move our stops up, and so it's a good trade. And basically, I was pointing this thing out last 2 days to you guys out there on the interwebs. And for us in the Moxie group, we've been in this for a little while. So that and Google was looking good as well. You can see that thing had a nice breakout, and yeah, solid moves up here. Oh, and then Tesla. This is another one that we've been in and waiting for it. And this too, very nice day on this. And you can see basically right there was the breakout, and boom, nice move. So we have been in this one for a while, doing nicely. We'll have to see how far it can go. I don't see any issues yet. And so the fact that these names are moving up makes me think that maybe the market's just going to hold sideways and then move up as opposed to pulling back. So we haven't been doing anything. I pulled off my hedge, basically. I put it on today, took it off today. So no big deal on that one. The rest of the market's still a little bit challenging. So we are having some good leaders. But, you know, as far as the rest, you know, not much happening on the IWM. So breadth isn't really picking up. In fact, breadth just got hammered over the last 2 days. But I'd like to see this stuff turn up. It does look to me like this is trying to be a bottom and a base and figure this thing out. And it looks to me like the Moxie indicator's been moving up, but nothing yet. It just hasn't fired, hasn't followed through, hasn't confirmed yet. So the market is still very narrow as far as its leadership, but there are still things to trade. So we've been trading those, and we've been making money off of them. And then as far as the day trading, it's just nothing yet because the market's just been sideways for several days. So let's see if anything changes after the presidential debate tomorrow, Thursday, and we'll get back to you then. All right, guys, thanks again. We'll see you later. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.